Welcome everybody. Let's see. We're gonna get started here in just a minute or two. We got 5 Topps Holiday Mega Boxes to get through. This is the first time we're opening these, so looking forward to seeing what we find. We do have one team available if anybody's interested in purchasing the Rockies. Rockies would be $5, free shipping, as long as you're in this break or in any of our other breaks tonight. So let me know if anybody here is interested in the Rockies. Feel free to jump in on chat. Let us know what teams you got. Looks like we got the Mariners in the house. Good luck to the Mariners. Hopefully we find some nice Kyle Lewis. Hopefully we find all the big rookies, and maybe we even find some of them with the short prints. If you guys aren't familiar with this product at all, there are some short print cards out there. They come in the form of the normal card, but it may have like a candy cane in there, or it may have a Santa hat or some sort of stocking. So we'll hopefully find at least maybe one per box. Some of them maybe have 2 of them per box. Maybe we even find some of the rare ones or the super short prints. That'd be nice. TJ, first baseball break. All right. Well, you got a good first team to start with. Obviously, everybody chasing Kyle Lewis rookie cards. This one included. So hopefully we can find you some nice Kyle Lewis in here. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Nobody seems to be jumping at the Rockies. If anybody is interested in the Rockies that's just joining us, let us know. Rockies are available for $5. Free shipping as long as you are in on the break. If not, we will go ahead and get started. Each mega box is going to have, I believe, it's 100 cards per mega box. It's 10 packs per box and 10 cards per pack. And we should see one relic, auto, or auto relic in every box. So hopefully we find some auto relics tonight. That'd be nice. And each of these boxes comes with an ornament. We'll see that ornament here shortly. So our first ornament is going to go to the Angels. That is Shohei Ohtani. Angels are going to get the Shohei Ohtani ornament from the first box. And we do have 100 cards, but we'll go through these pretty carefully, make sure that we don't miss any short prints in here. And there are these cards, the short prints are numbered on the back, so we can tell whether or not it's just a regular short print, a rare one, or a super short print. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. We got Lourdes Gurriel Jr., Kevin Kiermaier. There's nice Austin Riley for the Braves. And what do we got here? There's our relic first pack. That one's going to the Royals. Hunter Dozier. And let me see if I can fix this light here so it's not so harsh. All right, so we got Hunter Dozier, gray patch for the Royals. We got Shun Yamaguchi for the Blue Jays. Jake Arrieta, Phillies. Corey Seager for the Dodgers, and Aroldis Chapman for the Yankees. And if you guys notice any of the short prints, if I pass over one and miss something, feel free to just get in on the chat and let me know. But I'll try and look carefully to make sure that we some of them are very subtle. Could be like a candy cane striped sock or a wristband or something like that. So some of them are pretty subtle here. All right, Luis Arias, Tommy Edman. We got Ryan McBroom for the Royals. Alex Young, rookie for the D-backs. JT Realmuto. Corey Kluber We got Justin Turner, Jose Altuve, Carlos Correa, and Freddie Freeman. There we go, White Sox. Luis Robert right there on the front. Our first Luis Robert hit, first box. Congrats on that one. Hopefully we see him a bunch tonight. We got JT Realmuto. Christian Walker. Robinson Cano. Uh-oh, what do we got here? There we go, White Sox. We got a Luis Robert short print. Nice pack. We got the Robert on the front, and we got the short print in here. You see the candy cane bat there. That is our first short print. And then we can tell. So I don't know if the camera's gonna focus in or not, but there's a number here at the very bottom. It ends in a 7-1. So the 7-1 means that it's just a regular short print. If it's a 72, it's a rare one, and if it's a 73, it's a super short print. So this one here is just the regular short print, but that's a nice hit there for the White Sox. Congrats on that one. All right, we got Nolan Arenado, Trevor Story, Francisco Lindor. There's a Gavin Lux rookie for the Dodgers, and Alex Bregman for the Astros. Tony Kemp, Jock Peterson, there's Chris Sale, Kyle Schwarber, Brian Reynolds, Andrew McCutchen. There's a Dustin May rookie for the Dodgers. Dodgers got Lux and May now. Got Anthony Rendon, Eric Osmer, and Paul Goldschmidt. Yeah. Try and pick it up a little bit. Cody Bellinger, Jake Rogers rookie, Yoan Moncada, Victor Robles, Shohei Ohtani, Andrew McCutchen, Jorge Alfaro, Dakota Hudson, Mike Yastrzemski, and Tim Lopes. Pete Alonso, Jorge Soler, Matt Olson, Paul DeJong, Masahiro Tanaka, Eric Osmer, Brandon Lau, Matt Chapman, Wilson Contreras, and Malik Smith. Ronnie Rodriguez, Ryan Braun, Eddie Rosario, Shane Bieber, Mookie Betts, Brandon Nimmo, Jackie Bradley Jr. There's a Jesus Luzardo rookie for the A's. We got Bryce Harper for the Phillies, and there's a Randy Arozarena for the Tampa Bay Rays. Nice hit for the Rays. Dansby Swanson, Jalen Davis, Javi Baez, There's a Trent Grisham rookie for the Padres. Another Luis Robert for the White Sox. White Sox having a night already. That's Luis Robert number 3. One of them being a short print. Sorry about that. That was Jose Barrios, Nick Castellanos, Greg Polanco, D. Gordon, and Jack Flaherty. Tim Anderson, John Means, Joey Votto, Nick Anderson, Mike Moustakas, and it looks like we got another short print, I'm guessing, although I don't see it right away. Does anybody else? This is, maybe this isn't, let me look at the back. It is a short print. I might have to, oh, the Santa Claus in the back, that's what it is. Totally missed that. So the Santa Claus in the back is the short print. Yep, there you go. So congrats to the Cardinals on that one. We got Rick Porcello, Juan Soto, Kevin Newman, and Chris Paddock. Yeah, you guys caught that Santa in the background before I did. I was not looking for that at all. We got Giancarlo Stanton, DJ LeMahieu, Aaron Barrett, Manny Machado, Marcus Stroman, Paul Goldschmidt, Brendan Rodgers. There's a Yordan Alvarez rookie for the Astros, Edwin Rios, and Tony Gonsolin. Alright, that was Mega Box number 1. Let's throw a few of these up here. We'll throw that Luis Robert short print up there. And we'll actually throw both short prints up there. And let's get Randy Arozarena up there. Gavin Lux. And that Yordi for the Astros. Alright. Found a lot of our big name rookies in that box. Still looking for Kyle Lewis, though, for the Mariners. But we got 4 boxes to go. Alright, our next ornament, Chris Bryant to the Cubs. Congrats to the Cubs. That'll look good on your Christmas tree next year. Alright, here we go. Good luck on box number 2, everybody. Matt Olson, Paul DeJong, Masahiro Tanaka, Ronnie Rodriguez, Ryan McBroom, Rafael Devers. There's a Sean Murphy rookie for the A's. There's a Mike Trout for the Angels. Isan Diaz and Buster Posey. Ryan Braun, Eddie Rosario, Shane Bieber, Mookie Betts, Dansby Swanson, Pete Alonso, Rhys Hoskins, Max Scherzer, Griffin Canning, and Gleyber Torres. Jalen Davis, Javi Baez. There's another Trent Grisham rookie for the Padres. Tim Anderson, John Means, George Springer, just signed by the Blue Jays. We got Max Fried, Adbert Alzolay, rookie for the Cubs. We got Kim, rookie for the Cardinals, and Mauricio Dubon, rookie for the Giants. Joey Votto, Nick Anderson, Mike Moustakas, we got Giancarlo Stanton, DJ LeMahieu, Rangel Ravello for the Cardinals, Jorge Polanco, Charlie Blackmon, another Springer, and Steven Strasburg. Aaron Barrett, Manny Machado, Marcus Stroman, Lourdes Gurriel Jr., Alex Young, rookie, Mike Clevenger, Keston Hiura, JD Martinez, AJ Puck, rookie for the A's, and a Ronald Acuna Jr. for the Braves. Kevin Kiermaier, Austin Riley, Luis Arias, Tommy Edman. Looks like we got a Michael Fulmer patch for the Tigers. Nice hit for the Tigers. We got an Aristides Aquino rookie for the Reds. Jose Urena and Luis Severino. Ryan McBroom, Alex Young, rookie. Another Luis Robert for the White Sox. JT Realmuto, Christian Walker, Steven Strasburg, Mitch Haniger, Jake Odorizzi, Trey Turner, and Kyle Tucker. Robinson Cano, Tony Kemp, Jock Peterson, Chris Sale, Kyle Schwarber. Ooh, Braves. How about a Ronald Acuna Jr.? I'm guessing a short print, but I don't quite see it. Let me see here. It is a short print, number 71. And what am I missing? I think we just had a Ronald Acuna Jr. Let's see. You have that one over there? Alright. It is a little bit, I guess it's snowing in the background of this one. So that one is very, very subtle. I guess a lighter blue sky with some snow in the background. Very, very subtle on that one. But it is a short print. It is numbered 71 on the bottom. So that is just a regular short print, but a nice hit for the Braves. We got Nick Senzel, Willie Castro, Zach Greinke, and a Nico Horner rookie for the Cubs. I'm glad they are flipping these short prints around so that we know, because there's no way I would have seen that. Brian Reynolds, Cody Bellinger, Jake Rogers rookie, Yo Moncada, another Luis Robert for the White Sox, Anthony Rizzo, Will Smith, Brandon Crawford, Josh Donaldson, and Patrick Corbin. Last pack, Mega Box number 2. We got Victor Robles, Shohei Ohtani, Chris Bryant, Luke Voigt, Miguel Andujar, Luis Urias, Kevin Biggio, Brusdar Graterol, rookie for the Dodgers, Eloy Jimenez, and Brandon Lau. Alright, let's see here. I'm going to take Kim down, sorry Cardinals, and throw Ronald Acuna Jr. up there. Alright, Mega Box number 3. And we got ornament number 3 going to the Twins, Max Kepler. There we go, Twins. Jalen Davis, Javi Baez, Trent Grisham rookie, Tim Anderson, Chris Sale, Rick Porcello, Juan Soto, Kevin Newman, Chris Paddock, and Brendan Rodgers. Still waiting for that Lewis. Yeah, we've seen a lot of Luis Robert tonight and no Kyle Lewis yet. In fact, I don't think we've doubled up on any rookies except for Luis Robert. And we've pulled, what, 4? 5? Something like that? John Means, Joey Votto, Nick Anderson, Mike Moustakas, Giancarlo Stanton. There's another short print, and that is going to the Dodgers. That one is a little bit more noticeable. Walker Buehler Santa hat going to the Dodgers. And let's see, that is numbered 71 on the bottom. So that is just a regular. That is just a regular short print, but a nice hit for the Dodgers. So congrats on that one. Santa hat Walker Buehler. We also got another Yordan Alvarez, so we've doubled up on him now. We got Edwin Rios rookie, Tony Gonsolin rookie, and Shun Yamaguchi rookie for the Blue Jays. DJ LeMahieu, Aaron Barrett, Manny Machado, Marcus Stroman, Lourdes Gurriel Jr., Michael Brosseau, Jake Arrieta, Corey Seager, Aroldis Chapman, and Corey Kluber. Kevin Kiermaier, Austin Riley, Tommy Edman, Luis Arraez, Ryan McBroom, Justin Turner, Jose Altuve, Carlos Correa, Freddie Freeman, and Nolan Arenado. Yeah, we haven't seen Justin Dunn either. Missing all those Mariners rookies. We've seen plenty of Alex Young for the Diamondbacks. And we've seen plenty of Luis Robert for the White Sox, although I'm sure the White Sox will never get tired of seeing Luis Robert. There's another one for you. JT Realmuto, Christian Walker, Kyle Schwarber, Trevor Story, Francisco Lindor. There's another Gavin Lux for the Dodgers, Alex Bregman, and another Dustin May for the Dodgers. So we are now starting to double up on the rookies. Mariners just hoping to find one Kyle Lewis. Gary Sanchez. Marcell Ozuna. There's a Fernando Tatis Jr. First time we've seen him tonight for the Padres. Trey Mancini. Willie Adames. Anthony Rizzo. Will Smith. Brandon Crawford. Josh Donaldson. And Patrick Corbin. Still haven't found our relic in this box yet. Hoping that maybe it's an auto relic. Hoping we find at least one auto tonight out of these 5 boxes. Will Myers, Michael Chavis, Carter Kieboom. Hey, there's another one we hadn't seen yet. Bo Bichette for the Blue Jays. Forgot about old Bo. There you go, Blue Jays. We got our first Bo Bichette. Hopefully not our last. Jock Peterson, Luis Urias, Kevin Biggio, Brusdar Graterol, rookie for the Dodgers, Eloy Jimenez, and Brandon Lau. Kyle Garlick, Pete Alonso, Jorge Soler, Matt Olson. We got another short print. Nico Hoerner for the Cubs. What do we got? They got that, he's got that sleeve there with the candy canes and the stockings. That's a pretty cool one there. Nico Hoerner, short print. That is also a 71 on the bottom. So that is just a regular short print. But a nice one for the Cubs. Matt Chapman. Wilson Contreras. Malik Smith. Brandon Nimmo. And Jackie Bradley Jr. Paul DeJong. Maz Tanaka. Ronnie Rodriguez. Ryan Braun. Eddie Rosario. Tim Lopes. That's the only rookie we've seen for the Mariners so far. Tim Lopes. Jesus Luzardo. Bryce Harper. There's another Randy Arozarena for the Rays. And Jose Berrios. So I'm guessing our auto or relic is going to be in this, because I don't believe, I see a thick one in there. So we got Shane Bieber, Mookie Betts, Dansby Swanson, and Luis Severino, and that is a 2-color patch. Got a pinstripe in there. That is going to the Yankees. That is a nice hit for the Yankees with a 2-color pinstripe patch. Congrats, Yankees. Nick Castellanos, Greg Polanco, D. Gordon, and Jack Flaherty. Mega box number 4. Still looking for Kyle Lewis. Alright, our next ornament is going to the Yankees. Garrett Cole. It's another nice one for the Yankees. Nick Anderson, Mike Moustakas, Giancarlo Stanton, DJ LeMahieu, Aaron Barrett. There's another Aristides Aquino for the Reds. Jackie Bradley Jr., Jesus Luzardo, Bryce Harper, and Randy Arozarena. That is number 3 on the Arozarena. Manny Machado, Marcus Stroman, Lourdes Gurriel Jr., Kevin Kiermaier, Austin Riley, Jose Barrios, Nick Castellanos, Gregory Polanco, D. Gordon, and Jack Flaherty. Luis Arraez, Tommy Edman, Ryan McBroom, another Alex Young rookie for the D-backs, Chris Sale, Rick Porcello, Juan Soto, Kevin Newman, Chris Paddock, and Brendan Rodgers. Another Luis Robert. White Sox absolutely killing it with all these Luis Roberts. Last time we pulled a Luis Robert on the front, we also had that short print in there. I wonder if we get another one. Let's see. There's Luis Robert again. We got JT Realmuto, Christian Walker, Robinson Cano, Tony Kemp. We do have a short print. It is not Luis Robert, but it is Manny Machado. And he's got the candy cane bat. So we got the Manny Machado short print for the Padres. And that again is 71. So that is just a regular short print. And another Yordi Alvarez for the Astros. Edwin Rios, Tony Gonsolin, and Yamaguchi, rookie for the Blue Jays. What's going on, Lemon? How are you tonight? Jock Peterson, Chris Sale, Kyle Schwarber, Brian Reynolds, Yoan Moncada, Jose Urena, Jake Arrieta, Corey Seager, Aroldis Chapman, Corey Kluber. Victor Robles, Shohei Ohtani, Chris Bryant. I believe we have our next hit. Another Michael Fulmer for the Tigers. Tigers doubling up on the Michael Fulmer patch, although I think, if I remember correctly, I want to say the patch was gray, the last one that we pulled. Let's see here. Yep, so we do have a different color patch. That's our first one that we pulled, the gray, and now we've got a white patch. So congrats to the Tigers again on another Michael Fulmer relic. Justin Turner, Jose Altuve, Carlos Correa, and Freddie Freeman. Yeah, Lemon, you loaded up tonight on the basketball. Appreciate you jumping in again. Looking forward to doing that break here shortly. We got Luke Voigt, Miguel Andujar, Josh Bell, Kyle Seager, Kyle Schwarber, Nolan Arenado, Trevor Story, Francisco Lindor. There's another Gavin Lux for the Dodgers, and Alex Bregman for the Astros. What is going on with Kyle Lewis tonight? We're finding doubles and triples of all these other rookies and no Kyle Lewis yet. We got Vlad Guerrero Jr., Ryan Zimmerman, Ramon Laureano, John Berti. We have another short print, Javi Baez for the Cubs. And what do we have here? Looks like he's playing in the snow. If you look at the ground there. I'm guessing that is what we're seeing. So he's playing in the snow. That short print is also number 71. So just a regular short print again. But a nice one for the Cubs. Cubs have a couple short prints tonight. We got Dustin May for the Dodgers. Anthony Rendon, Eric Osmer, Paul Goldschmidt, and Andrew McCutchen. Mitch Garver, Jack Mayfield, Zach Gallen, Domingo Leyba, Nelson Cruz, Luis Severino, Jorge Alfaro, Dakota Hudson, Mike Yastrzemski, and again, a Tim Lopes rookie for the Mariners. Still can't find Dunn or Lewis. We got one pack here and then one box to go. Josh Hader, Clayton Kershaw, Blake Snell, Matthew Boyd, Walker Buehler, Michael Brousseau, Shogo Akiyama, Matt Thaiss, rookie for the Angels, Robert Duggar, and Matt Carpenter. All right, one box to go. One final box. Let's go ahead and push these back a bit. Maybe we can make room for a couple more hits on our board. So we got the Luis Roberts short print, the Ronald Acuna Jr. short print. We got rookies for Yordan, Randy Arozarena, Gavin Lux. Let's see. I want to find that Bo Bichette. And throw the Bo Bichette up there. And I think I'm going to throw that Luis Severino patch up there as well. So there's the patch. Our only two-color patch that we've hit so far. And there's the Bo Bichette. Alright, our final ornament is going to go to the Angels again. Another Shohei Ohtani ornament. So we're doubling up on a lot of rookies and we're doubling up on the ornaments. One last box to find that Kyle Lewis for the Mariners. He's calling for the Justin Dunn and the Kyle Lewis in this box. Let's hope so. Good luck, everybody, on the final box. Domingo Leyba, Nelson Cruz, Josh Hader, Clayton Kershaw, Blake Snell, Rangel Ravello, D. Gordon, Jack Flaherty, Rick Porcello, and Juan Soto. Matthew Boyd, Walker Buehler, Ketel Marte, Sam Hilliard, Christian Yelich, Kevin Newman, Chris Paddock, Brendan Rodgers. There's another Yordi for the Astros, and Edwin Rios for the Dodgers. Travis Demeritte, Michael Conforto, Albert Pujols, Zach Collins, rookie for the White Sox, Luis Arias, Tony Gonsolin, Shun Yamaguchi, Jake Arrieta, Corey Seager, and Aroldis Chapman. Haven't seen Luis Robert in a while. White Sox, what's going on? Danny Mendick, Oscar Mercado, Randy Dobnak, Yadier Molina, Gio Urshela. Hey, Yankees, how about an Aaron Judge short print? And he's got the candy cane, looks like a sleeve going there on one of his arms. And he's got one of the wristbands on there as well. Aaron Judge short print. That is number 71. So that is a regular short print. So I guess I don't know. Unless we hit one more, we're gonna hit all regular short prints tonight. No rare or super short prints. Corey Kluber, Justin Turner, Jose Altuve, and Carlos Correa. Evan Longoria, Elvis Andrus, Aaron Nola, Jose Ramirez, Jeff McNeil, Jorge Polanco, Freddie Freeman, Nolan Arenado, Trevor Story, and Francisco Lindor. There's a Jake Fraley rookie for the Mariners. So another rookie hit, but not who we're looking for. Brendan McKay, rookie for the Rays. Keen Wong, rookie for the Giants. And our last patch, unfortunately no autos tonight, but a nice patch for the Braves, Austin Riley. Gray patch. Another Gavin Lux rookie for the Dodgers. Alex Bregman, Dustin May rookie, and Anthony Rendon. Aaron Judge, Nick Solak, Andrew Benintendi. There he is, Kyle Lewis. We finally found him. There's your Kyle Lewis, TJ. Finally. Congrats on Kyle Lewis, Tommy Edman, Eric Osmer, Paul Goldschmidt, Andrew McCutchen, Jorge Alfaro, and Dakota Hudson. Justin Verlander, Xander Bogaerts, Gary Sanchez, Marcell Ozuna. We have another short print, Shun Yamaguchi, rookie for the Blue Jays. We've seen him a few times tonight, and he's got a Santa bag over his shoulder. So nice short print for the Blue Jays, also number 71. So just another regular short print. Mike Yastrzemski, Tim Lopes, Michael Brosseau, Shogo Akiyama, and Matt Thaiss. String of rookies there. We got 2 packs left. Fernando Tatis Jr., Trey Mancini, Willie Adames, Will Myers, Michael Chavis, Charlie Blackmon, Robert Duggar, Matt Carpenter, Noah Syndergaard, and Max Kepler. Alright everybody, good luck on the final pack. I don't know if we have any hits left to find in here. Maybe we find one more nice rookie here. We got Carter Kieboom. There we go, Blue Jays. We got another Bo Bichette for the Blue Jays. Congrats on that. We got Kyle Garlick, Pete Alonso, Jorge Soler, Eugenio Suarez, Whit Merrifield, Ozzie Albies, Miguel Cabrera, and Garrett Cole for the Yankees. Alright, let's go ahead and do a little recap for everybody. 500 cards in all, which allowed us to find some nice hits in this break. I'm actually going to organize these here real quick for you guys, so give me a second and I will get this stuff organized for you, and then we will do a little recap. Alright, got everything organized here. So we got our patch cards. Go through those. Probably the nicest one is the two color patch pinstripe Luis Severino. We got 2 Michael Fulmers, 1 gray, 1 white. We got Austin Riley for the Braves, and we got Hunter Dozier for the Royals. All right, let's see. Some of our bigger rookies. We've got Aristides Aquino ×2 for the Reds. We had the 1 Kyle Lewis for the Mariners. Sorry we couldn't find more Kyle Lewis, but glad we did find the 1. We got 2 Bo Bichettes for the Blue Jays. We got 4 Yordies for the Astros. We got Gavin Lux ×4 for the Dodgers. Randy Arozarena ×3 for the Rays. And White Sox, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 regular Luis Robert base cards, and then we got the short print to make 7 Luis Roberts tonight. So White Sox definitely won the break. 6 base Luis Roberts and the short print candy cane bat. Congrats to the White Sox on that. We only had 1 Mike Trout tonight for the Angels. I always like to top load Mike Trout, all of his cards. And then all of our other short prints, we had Ronald Acuna Jr. playing in the snow. We had Kwang Hyun Kim, rookie for the Cardinals, had Santa in the background. Walker Buehler with the Santa hat on. Nico Horner with the candy cane stocking sleeve. Manny Machado with the candy cane bat. Javi Baez playing in the snow. Aaron Judge with the candy cane striped sleeves, and Shun Yamaguchi with the Santa bag over his shoulder. So that was a really fun break. 5 mega boxes, definitely nice to there's a lot of base cards in there, with it being 500 cards, but a lot of nice hits in there as well with all those short prints that we found, all the relics that we found, and all the big rookies that we found. So definitely a nice break. Congrats to everybody on those. We've got some Topps Chrome update coming in, hopefully within the next week or 2. So we will do a break on Topps Chrome update mega boxes. We'll probably do a 10 mega box break on those. So keep an eye out. We haven't gotten them yet shipped to us, but as soon as we do, we'll get those up and running, and we'll run a break for you guys for the Topps Chrome update. So looking forward to that one. Appreciate you guys joining in on this, and we will get this stuff shipped out. If we can't get it, the post office closes early tomorrow morning, so if I can't get it to the post office tomorrow morning, I'll definitely get it out Monday morning for you guys. So thank you guys again, and have a good night.